Welcome and hello there, ladies and gentlemen. In this one we are going into airsoft content. I recently got this camera and now I'm gonna be filming my games. Enjoy! This footage was shot in the hotel field in my hometown, here in Bulgaria. You'll see both spawns throughout the video, so don't worry, you're gonna see the most of the terrain. Now a guy trying to be sneaky. Not on my watch. And there is a shield there. Of course, when I tried to push, I got shredded. And here, on my dead place, I leave my pistol for my teammate. And while trying to be sneaky, I got team killed.
Team kill, yeah.
Here I saw an enemy. I hold my fire to not give away our position. But he did focus on his previous target and then I got him. Here we're in the spawn. Just chatting, waiting for the start to be given. And now this is the other part of the terrain, as in the other spawn. This spawn has the easier access to the timers here in the battle stations, so...
Done!
Here we're getting contacted through the radio, and we realized it was a failed start. Annoying, right? And now take two. Once I start the timer, I gotta go into the first and second floor to clear out the stalkers in the forest. Got one. And now trying to get rid of the second guy, but he was sneakier. He was blending with all the surroundings. I got him because I saw his holo popping out every now and then. I think they got a third person there. And that's why I sneaked up like this. It actually worked. I can hear him hitting people with his fast rifle. And I saw him right there. Can't really zoom into it, because you will see nothing. Because my camera is not that good of a camera. But I can barely see him. The holo popped out again. Now.
Yes.
And I'm being happy. Every now and then people try to dispatch me from my position. No reason to shoot twice. And now here, there was a guy at the end of the corridor. I thought there was only one,
Bonjour.
but no, there were three.
No, idem при мене.
And now you're gonna
Да,
see,
обаче не мога
this
да
is my
карам.
stupidity talking to my guys downstairs,
Убит.
my dad. And now the walk of shame with all of the guys actually coming to get me. One. I mean two. This guy shot me, despite I'm being marked.
Wow.
3.
Добре, добре, няма
Now a bit of censorship, because I sweared a lot. And here you can see one in the shield.
But you beat me now, huh?
And I'm just shouting that I'm moving and I'm dead.
Mother.
Okay, intermission hours again. I'm getting ready. I left my tactical vest because this was a dead match. And now we're going again, as fast as we can. I'm trying to tell my teammate to go upstairs, because it will be easier for us to win the game when we are upstairs. And here, again, getting rid of Stalkers in the woods. You can see him though, this one you can see. Right there. Miss, miss, and a hit. One more. I couldn't really focus him, that's why I leaned off my sides in a failed attempt to hit him. Actually see him and hit him. But the BBs were getting deflected. And now I got him. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And here's my ugly face. And here a buddy who's filming as well. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out his channel. Don't forget to hit that bell and be sure to tune in next time where we're gonna play War Thunder, Sea of Thieves or Airsoft maybe again. And until next time, please call your hits.